We've been exploring the meaning of partnership. We've also taken up the essential features, miscellaneous features of partnership. We've also spoken a little bit about the true test of partnership, which is mutual agency. And in this video, I, Dr. Mariam Narona, will be taking up types of partnership. Now, there are many people who confuse types of partners with types of partnerships. But please remember this, that there is a difference between types of partnerships, that is the nature of agreements between partners, and types of partners. So you may have different types of partners, individuals who come together to be a part of the firm, and that firm is the partnership, which could be of various different kinds, and that's what we're going to take a look at. Now, partnerships are formed for different purposes, different objectives, and different durations of time. So, based on that, we arrive at this concept, types of partnerships. So, we have fixed term partnership, which, as the name itself suggests, is a partnership which is formed for a specific duration, specific period of time. After that time expires, the partnership is dissolved automatically. So as long it depends that if you are forming a partnership for uh, trading in some seasonal goods like agricultural products, once that season is over, automatically that may the partnership may come to an end. Then partnership at will, here the no provision is made by the contract between partners for the duration of their partnership. That means whenever they feel like it, they can put it to an end. And so this kind of partnership is known as partnership at will. Particular partnership is where a person may partner with somebody else for a particular undertaking, like two people may come together to construct a particular building or a particular project, and after that that partnership will not extend to any other projects or activities which they undertake. This is a particular partnership. Then a registered partnership, that is obviously where the firm is a registered firm. It is duly registered with the registrar of firms as per the procedure which is outlined under the Indian Partnership Act 1932, Section 58. Now, an unregistered firm is the opposite of a registered firm. That this is not duly registered with the registrar of firms, but it operates. And that does not adversely affect its existence. So, unregistered partnership. Then you have limited liability partnership, where we know we've spoken about in the essential features of partnership, that a partnership is involves this feature of unlimited liability. Partners' liability with regard to the firm is unlimited. Partners are personally liable towards the firm. Now, in case of limited liability partnership, this problem or this limitation of unlimited liability is done away with, and this has made partnership of under this type of firm more attractive for people, because it does away with this. And the LLP Act 2008 has led to the creation of such entities. So you may have partnerships with limited liability and illegal partnership. Now, a partnership, when it is formed, will not be illegal, but it may become illegal due to change of some law. It could be that you're carrying on some business, and after that that kind of business is declared illegal, then that partnership firm would be rendered illegal. Also, if the number of partners either exceeds the maximum limit, then in such a case, which is defined by the Partnership Act, then in such a case the partnership will be illegal. So if you're carrying on a banking business and your number of partners exceeds 10, then it would become illegal. So these are the situations in which a partnership may become illegal. So these are the types of partnerships. So just once again, I'd like to repeat that there is an important difference between types of partnerships and types of partners, and we are going to be exploring these ahead in the next video. Types of partnerships means the nature of the firm, what type of a firm it is based on the objects and duration of partnership. And types of partners are the individual people who become a part of the firm, who enter into that agreement to share profits arising out of a business. Those partners are of different types, which are many more than types of partnerships, and we'll be taking a look at those next. So I hope types of partnerships was clear to you, and do watch the next video on types of partners. Thank you.